Push it. Push it with your feet. Push it. Push your feet. Not your hand, your feet. Push your feet down. I was going to crash into you. Oh, there he goes. Okay, hold on. Okay, go. Push it with your feet.
I gotta go to my house.
You do.
Granny,
You do.
I gotta go to my house.
Okay. Go, Braylon. Push. Push with your feet. Oh, you gotta fix the key. Are you fixing the key? Oh, alright. What are you doing? Bye. See you later. Push it with your feet. You did.
Yes, I did.
Good job. Uh-oh, he's going to crash into you, Braylon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Go to Papa. Push it with your feet. Hit it with your feet.
Come on with it.
Go. Push it with your feet.
Push it with your feet. Come on, man.
Right here. Put your feet right there. Okay, push.
With your feet.
You're not supposed to do it with your hands. How you gonna know where you're going? Bye.